that, today we will make sugar cookies. These are our ingredients. Yummy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla almond, 1 third of sugar, 1 cup of flour, and 1 third butter. You put your butter, after that your sugar, after your vanilla extract. All your butter, sugar, and banana all mixed up in here. You to add flour. After you put all your flour in, you do make it do it. After all your flour that mix in, you do it up and put it in the bowl. Thing down here. You will press it all down. Make it. Add the in your cookies. Wait. Here you go. You preheat your oven for 3.5, baby. Ready? You add your cookies in for 15 minutes. It's done. Now I wait for 5 minutes to cool down. After that, wait for it to be eaten. Yummy.